Do not need your Facebook page anymore. Delete it permanently in a few seconds. Watch till the end. First of all, you open the Facebook app. Then here you can see the three-line option. So click on it. Here you can see the third option. I want to delete this page. Simple click on it. Then here you can see the three dot option. So click on it. After click it, here you can see the settings and privacy option. Click on it. Again click the settings option. Then here you can see the here you can see access and control option. So simple click on it. Then here you can see the delete page option. Click on it. Then click the continue option. After click it, here you can see the here you select any reason. So I select the third reason. After click it, the continue. So here you again click the continue option. So here you enter your Facebook ID password. Then click the continue option. So here you can see the delete page option. So click on it. So I check. Here you can see the page is deleted permanently. So this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks.